In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and utilize Hostinger's platform effectively. Whether you're new to website building or looking to polish your skills, this guide will help you feel right at home with Hostinger's handy tools and features. To start off, you'll want to head to the Hostinger's homepage. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in the Hostinger URL, which will take you straight to the homepage. Once you're there, you'll find an easy-to-navigate interface that makes managing your online presence straightforward and uncomplicated. Next, focus your attention on the Websites button. You'll typically find this located prominently on the dashboard. Clicking on Websites is going to give you access to all the websites that you're managing through Hostinger. This page acts like your central hub, giving you an overview of all your projects and important metrics. Once you've landed on the Websites section, your next step is to click on Edit Website. This is where the magic happens. Editing your website is a crucial aspect of maintaining an updated and engaging online presence. The editor allows you to tailor your site to reflect your brand or personal style, adjust layout, add content, or implement new features. With your website editor open, it's time to delve into designing your site by clicking on Elements. Here you'll find a variety of building blocks, text blocks, images, buttons, forms, and more, which you can effortlessly drag and drop to customize your site. Arrange these elements to reflect your vision, adding the functionalities that your visitors need. Following Elements, the next stop is Pages. This section allows you to manage the structure and flow of your site. You can add new pages, remove unnecessary ones, or reorder them for optimal navigation. A well-structured page hierarchy is essential for both user experience and search engine performance. As you continue refining your site, don't forget to visit the Styles section. This is where you can have fun with aesthetics. Styles allow you to tweak the theme, colors, typography, and overall mood of your site. Consistency in style reinforces your brand identity and makes your website visually appealing. Lastly, for those of you running an online store, the Store section will be particularly valuable. Within this tool set, you can set up your e-commerce functionalities, manage your inventory, process orders, and fulfill your entrepreneurial ambitions seamlessly. That's a wrap on the essentials of navigating Hostinger. With these steps, you're well equipped to manage and enhance your web presence. Remember, the key is to explore and experiment with the tools available to create a site that's uniquely yours. Thanks for watching, and happy building.